안녕하세요 여러분. Today I'm gonna show you how to use an extra laptop as a secondary monitor. Let's say this is my secondary monitor. Click on projection settings, press enter. Click available anywhere, so you could be found in any network. But you can turn it off if, for example, you're in a public Wi-Fi. Asked to project to this PC, I put first time only because I want to trust my other laptop. And I did not require a pin. Okay. Next, I go to my main desktop or laptop and I press Windows K. Windows K. It's gonna show you available displays. And that's the desktop I have or laptop. So I click on it. And now it's going to say, I am about to project here. So, since my password is disabled, I did not have to put any PIN. But it's gonna ask you for the first time if you want to trust this device or put a PIN. Now, you will choose to either duplicate or extend. Duplicate is going to show you the same screen, and extend is gonna treat it like a secondary monitor, where you can put your mouse going to the left or to the right. In my case, if I go to the left, it's gonna continue to that screen. So I can click on my layout. Let's say I'm working on SketchUp here and then layout on the other side. Just drag them there. And I can use this mouse to control the other screen. Can the other laptop still work? Yes, of course. If I'm going to move that mouse and change the window, then the secondary screen monitor will be disabled. Cha-ching! And I have to reconnect again. Windows K. Connecting. I am ready to connect wirelessly. And I am now extended. If you want to see this duplicate extend again, shortcut is Windows P or project Windows P. Okay, extend. Huawei. Right? And here, Huawei as well. That's the reason why I'm able to detect the device on the same network. Cha-ching! What do I use this for? Sometimes I use this for the OBS Studio. Let's say I want to go live and I want to do SketchUp over here and my live session over here. Then I can just keep working on SketchUp while seeing my live or recording. That's it, and bye-bye.